We love to cater to everyone's needs. That's why we try so hard to provide each and every one with great service. And we're happy to say it's paid off with a glowing 5-star review that we'd like to share with you right now. Great feedback like this helps to keep us all very motivated. Our goal is to provide service that is second to none, and it's great to see that everyone appreciates our efforts. Find out why everyone values their experience with us so much. They keep coming back over and over again. We want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you too. We're glad you had the chance to come and visit us today. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.